This is job 3702, iPhone 6 Plus that's come in with no battery charging. This job has been here before. It's was a touch disease problem before, and now it's come in with this liquid damage by the looks of it, and I'm going to guess that that cap there is our culprit. If I put the DC power supply on there, it goes straight to 3 amps, 2.3 volts. So we're looking at about 1 ohm or so resistance across here, and we definitely will fry it up. And that's not... It's showing open circuit. It's not... Maybe it's just a 10 ohm or something. I don't know. Well, it's not showing a short, but it sure is a short there. It's a mess, I should rather say. So we're going to clear that out, and at least we can have a better idea of what's going on. We actually should be able to... Hopefully we can gesser this off. It may not be this one that's faulted. It could be one of the other ones down here, but my goodness, that liquid damage is annoying there. Well, that's certainly effed. Might have to remove that overfill. Okay, for the overfill we just use 250. Need to hold this board down. The problem I have here is that I do not have a 6 Plus holder. I've got a 6 holder, but not a 6 Plus. Not a major issue. I just had to double check my temperature there. I have in the past been caught out, and I've had it at 430 or something like that. And thought, wow, the overfill is really coming off easy. And that's not the sort of mistake you want to make. Might as well just clear it all up. Could still be something else, but that's certainly a mess, that one. I'm amazed it's holding on. Hopefully this should come off with just a bit of solder. Give the area a clean up. I'm really hoping that Wi-Fi module isn't the actual fault. It's way too much flux. I'm at the start of a new tube, so it has a bad tendency to pop out like that. That is way too much flux. We get quite a few of these sort of failures, so I actually have purchased the replacement caps, which are 10 microfarad, 6.3 volt, 402 size, and I've just put 2 of them in there. You can go back in. Oh, you're a petulant little thing. Alright, looks like you're not going back in. Damn it. Wasted one. That seems much bigger than the pad, but I guess it is right. Might well have to hot air this. Damn it, really didn't want to have to hot air this. It should fit. Alright, looks like we're hot airing. We'll just drop a little shield at the back. Fortunately, because it's a module, it can take a bit more heat, and also the fact that we got leaded solder instead of lead free. So if we're quick enough, it shouldn't be a problem. And we're down. I'd be very, very surprised if that caused any issues. Other than making that a little bit squidgy. Might have to replace that too. Wash this down. Don't really want to put it through ultrasonic. Let's get that flux out of there. Alright, we're going to put a Captain tape replacement over it. It's not quite as good, but it does at least protect the electronics. I am being pedantic here. I really don't need to quite go to this level of accuracy with the cutting. Looks like I've still got a bit too much alcohol in there, but we'll see how we go. At least that certainly will protect it. Time to see if the short's still there. Okay, we've cleared the short. Let's see if we can confirm that by getting a boot. Well, I am glad to see that it was liquid damage, because honestly I thought it was going to be a rework job on my previous work, because I did do the touch replacement, so I thought maybe I did it wrong, maybe something got a bit too close together and I had a short between the balls. Although it was a little unusual for the fact that this was happening before it even turns on. So it gave me a teeny tiny amount of hope. Battery in. Use a little prop. Let's see if we get any activity now. And we get charge. We've got an Apple logo. 1.23 amps. Looks like we've got a win.